Hey everyone, if you've purchased a domain from GoDaddy and want to use it with your Vercel website, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to Vercel from start to finish in 2026. First, make sure your website is already deployed on Vercel. Your project should be live and functioning correctly before connecting a custom domain. Next, sign in to your Vercel account and open the project where you want to connect the GoDaddy domain. Once you're inside the project dashboard, navigate to Settings and then select Domains. Click Add Domain and enter the GoDaddy domain name you want to connect. After adding the domain, Vercel will display the DNS records required for configuration. Keep that page open because you'll need the DNS information in the next steps. Now open a new browser tab and sign in to your GoDaddy account. Navigate to My Products and locate the domain you want to connect. Click DNS or Manage DNS to open the DNS management panel. Before launching publicly, test all pages, forms, and important website features to ensure everything works properly through the new domain. And that's how to connect a GoDaddy domain to Vercel in 2026. With the correct DNS configuration and domain verification, you can quickly connect your custom domain and give your website a professional online presence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.